Hello, good day and welcome to About Device. Today we are going to be learning how to fix Windows search not running. For example, you come to search and you intend to search for a file and it's not searching, or indexing is not working. Search indexing was turned off. So how do we fix this? First of all, right click on the window menu and click run, or you could press Window plus R on your keyboard. Window plus R, or you could right click or press Window X, Window plus X, then click on run. Then this window will show up. Then type in what? services.msc. Services.msc. So the services window will open. So after the services window is open, you are going to search for Windows search. So you could scroll down but press W on your keyboard to take you to W. So what we are looking for is what? Windows search. So this is what we are looking for. So with this now, you could see here that Windows search is disabled, so we have to enable it. So you right click and go to what? Properties. Now if Windows search is not working, that means indexing is not working. So all you have to do is what? You could see that in the startup type it is set to disabled. So all you have to do is what? Set it to automatic, that it should automatically start. But I would prefer you use the first option so that it delay its own start, so that your system can start up rightly. So you click it to automatic delayed start. So you click on apply and then click on start here. So you click on start. So you could see that it's attempting to start. So you could see that it has started now. And then you click on OK. Now if you attempt to search for something, you could see that it's not warning that search indexing is disabled. And now Windows search is working rightly. So hope with this you've learned how to fix Windows search or Windows search indexing not working. Please like, share. Also comment below for any issue faced. Please subscribe to About Device for more tech related tutorials. Thank you.